Welcome to Amsterdam, where bikes rule the roads and boats rule the water. This city isn't just charming, it's floating on over 100 kilometers of canals. Built during the 1600s, these canals are part of a design so unique it's now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Three main canals, Herengracht, Keizersgracht and Prinsengracht form the iconic rings around the city center. From classic sightseeing cruises to self-drive electric boats and even pedal boarding, there's no wrong way to experience them. Each ride offers a new perspective, quiet neighborhood, historic bridges, floating homes, and secret courtyards. Over 2,500 houseboats line these waterways. Some are museums, others are real homes. It's not just a way to travel, it's a way of life here in Amsterdam. And when the sun goes down, the canals light up. Golden reflections, soft ripple, and a calm that turns the whole city into a dream. So if you are in Amsterdam, don't just walk it, float it. Let the canal take you on a journey through time, beauty, and pure Dutch magic. Amsterdam's red light district, one of the most talked about neighborhoods in the world. But it's more than just red lit windows. This area, known as Da Wallen, is a complex mix of history, freedom, and modern day realities. Here, work is legal and regulated. Behind each window stands someone working by choice, protected by law in one of the most open and transparent systems in the world. But there is more that meets the eye, from quirky museums to legendary bars and century-old churches. The red light district is packed with stories and surprises. So whether you are here to learn, look, or just explore, remember this isn't just a place of curiosity. It's part of Amsterdam's identity, bold, controversial, Downtown China, a hidden gem in Amsterdam. Step off the bustling streets of Amsterdam and into a world where traditions meets taste. Welcome to Downtown China. From fragrant Sichuan spices to delicate Cantonese dim sum, every dish here is a journey, handcrafted with passion and passed down through generations. Whether you are craving crispy duck, fresh handmade noodles, or authentic hot pot, Downtown China brings the heart of Chinese cuisine right to the heart of the city. Modern, vibrant, unforgettable. Come for the flavor. Stay for the culture. Downtown China, Amsterdam's taste of the East. In the heart of Amsterdam, one name rules the fry game: Mannequin Piss. Golden crispy Belgian fries, piled high and smothered in your favorite sauce. From classic mayo to spicy summer. In the heart of Amsterdam, time slows down. Children laugh, pigeons flutter, and the square comes alive with simple joy. Here, every moment feels timeless. feeding the birds, chasing smiles, and soaking in the city's soul. Central Amsterdam is the place where memories are made in the little things. Just a